I apply oil first because it actually aids in bringing back some moisture to my hair. I will also be mixing my oil and conditioner together. This is also a simple treatment that will be perfect for getting your curls to soak in more moisture before we move on to cleansing the hair and scalp. I'm going to come back after and I'm going to let you guys watch the process of my hair reverting back because it is definitely like something that I enjoy even for myself watching as well. So I'm going to let you guys watch and see how my hair reverts back without any damage done. My hair has soaked up most of the treatment, but my strands looks a bit lifeless and weak. I recommend leaving the treatment on for your hair for at least an hour before rinsing it out. I have some new products I'll be using, which is the Main Choice Detangling Hydration Shampoo and Conditioner. I will also be using the OG Protein Treatment by Apogee to help strengthen those bonds I altered from silk pressing my hair. I'm rinsing out the treatment that I previously had on my hair, and now I'm going in with the hydration shampoo to help aid in detangling my hair before I clarify my scalp with a cleansing shampoo. My roots were pretty difficult to detangle because of the buildup from sweating while my hair was silk pressed. Nevertheless, I took my time to avoid breakage. Make sure that you remove as many knots and tangles as possible before going in with the clarifying shampoo, because the clarifying shampoo is going to make sure your hair is squeaky clean and you don't want to have to worry about struggling to detangle while you're cleansing your hair and scalp. After rinsing, make sure you follow up with a conditioner to replenish your hair back with that moisture that we just pretty much removed. As you can see, my curls are coming back to life and it's already looking defined, but I'm not done yet. This specific protein treatment is very sticky, so I recommend doing it over a sink or in the shower. Make sure it is thoroughly applied throughout your hair. This will help restore and strengthen those bonds I altered during my silk press. After applying the protein treatment, I leave it on my hair for 15 minutes with heat. It is okay to go in with a blow dryer if your hooded dryer doesn't effectively dry the entire head. You also want to make sure the hair is entirely dry with the product before rinsing it out. That is what the instructions say. This is Butters. She was a stray, and me and my boyfriend didn't know she was an infant. So we took her in, got her shots, and now she's the happiest puppy ever. Also, our other dog, Jeannie, has a companion around to play with. So I think that's also like a cool thing as well. But anyways, I'm going to get back to the video. That was just like a little brief moment. I want you guys to see Butter. She was kind of like wanted to be in the video. Now that my hair is completely dry from the protein treatment, I'm rinsing it out. After the protein treatment is finished and rinsed out, your hair will feel dry, so I always follow up with a strengthening and restore mask. I'm using the Shea Moisture Strengthen and Restore mask that I used before silk pressing my hair. This hair mask is amazing. It surely does what it's supposed to do. And I leave this hair mask in my hair for 30 minutes with the shower cap under my hooded dryer before rinsing it out. I kid you not, guys. When I say maintenance, I mean maintenance. Like, it literally takes a minute to restore those curls back. As you can see, my hair is clumping together beautifully. I'm going to style my hair and come back and show you the finished results. So this is how my hair looks after it's been treated and styled. If you didn't know how to restore your hair back from straight to curly, then I hope this video gave you some ease. If you enjoyed this detailed demonstration of how to treat your hair after silk pressing it, give me a big thumbs up, leave your comments in the comment box below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will see you all again in another video. Bye!